This is a ByBit trading tournament in cooperation with HyroTrader. Today, traders from all around the world are competing for $235,000 in trading evaluations and backtesting subscriptions up to 12 months on Cleo Finance backtesting platform. Who will win? Let's get into it.
Hi everyone, the moment you've been waiting for is finally here. You can start trading. Let's showcase your skills and may the best trader win this epic tournament here in the ByBit offices in Dubai. We're here with one of the traders, David. Please tell me what's going on here, what's your strategy, what are you trading right now?
Yeah, so because it is intraday trading competition, so I just tried to find some four most probable setups, and I'm just looking to execute them, right? So what I was waiting for, and it's actually great that the market has dropped significantly today into the quite good levels. So I think we will have chance to find something. So I have set up on the Solana, Ethereum, ADA, and also the Link. I'm not going to open them all at the same time. I'm going to open just 3 of them because if they will not work, I got the room for another 2 trades. And I have to go a little bit riskier than usually because I think there is a lot of gamblers and it's not too much about the consistency, but who will gamble better, right? So I need to go with a higher, little bit bigger risk. So yeah, I got stuff prepared and now I'm going to execute it. I basically tried all of the strategies on the board, but what really started to work for me is to finding myself what's comfortable for me, and based on that I have developed my own strategies. So yeah.
Hi, we're here with another one of our traders, Matthias. And Matthias, please tell us what's going on here, what's your strategy, what are you trading?
And right now I'm trading Bitcoin Cash. Today the market looks like short. And right now my strategy is to find good trading setups, but most likely short positions. Yeah. But my strategy right now is compare the Bitcoin dominance with like the altcoins and Bitcoin. Because when Bitcoin dominance is dumping,
Altcoins go bye-bye.
altcoins go bye-bye. Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss more videos like this.
Right, so we're here with our number one trader right now, Kingsley. So tell us, what's your strategy, what coins are you trading, and how much are you in profit?
Sure, so I'm buying low and selling high.
Standard strategy, but watch out kids, that's how you do it. What coins are you trading right now?
Just a mixture, whatever I think is opportunistic.
So you're in first place right now. Do you think you'll still be there at the very end?
Let's see.
All right, so we're here with one of our traders, Shreyas, and currently in second place. So this is a guy to speak to. Tell us what's going on right now. Are you in any open trades? And more importantly, if you have any open trades, are we winning?
We are winning. We have open trade on Sun USDT. So currently I'm targeting low liquidity pairs.
Okay.
Because as you see, even if the BTC is giving 2 to 3 candles on the downside, but we are able to catch at least 4 or 5 candles downside on the low liquidity pairs.
Okay.
The profit might be low, but the winning ratio is pretty much high.
I know you're sat in second place right now, but do you think you can get to first? Do you think you can win this?
I will surely win this once I close this trade, and even if I close this trade, I'll be still winning.
Hey guys, we are here with Mohammed, who has entered a really good trade, but there seems to be sad faces about.
I can say I caught the bottom and I went long from there. Then at these levels I wanted to exit, then I hesitated. Now the price dropped so hard, so I have to wait again. Maybe the price will go to these levels again so I can take profit. And I'm opening a second short for like hedging.
Okay.
If this goes wrong, the other one goes right. Hopefully, because this one has a lot of volume and all. So this is my strategy for now, and I hope it works.
So we were plus 800, I believe, and now we are. Oh, it's bounced back up a bit. We're back at 539. We were at 400. Yeah, well, let's hope it reaches your target, and you should be able to claim second spot. Maybe he will. Maybe he will. We'll see. We'll see. Good luck. All right, we're here with our next trader, Ali. So, Ali, gonna ask you, how's it going today, first and foremost?
So far, so good. It's not too bad. I'm in a couple of trades right now. Hopefully, we're trying to finish first. I don't really think I will. There's a guy who's up 16% so far. It's pretty high.
Pretty big, yeah.
It's pretty big. It looks like the game is the game. I don't blame it. But yeah,
Don't hate the player, hate the game.
Exactly. It's looking good so far, so good.
Yeah. So what's your strategy right now? Are you looking for like low liquidity pairs? Are you looking to trade just the major coins? What's going on?
A little bit of both, actually. I'm in three trades right now. Bitcoin, ETH, the two biggest pairs, and then there's a coin called Wall. I just see that it's pumped one of the highest today, so I'm just trying to catch a quick scalp, see if it's artificially pumped or not.
Nice.
Test my luck a little bit. Normally, I don't trade like this. I'm a bit of a long-term trader.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, but today you have to, it's the game, so you're gonna have to try and make
quick moves.
as much profit as possible in the least amount of time.
Perfect. And which position you in right now? Fourth. Hey, that's not bad. He's challenging.
Do you like this video? Make sure to leave a subscribe.
Guys, can I have your attention? So we have last 1 hour, so I saw somebody has some specific strategy, resetting the challenges or gambling, whatever, feel free. I hope some of you sitting on some great unrealized profit, and maybe in last 5 minutes we will see some final, or it will stay same. So let's see. So at 4 p.m. everybody needs to have a close trades. Last 1 hour. Good luck.
Right, we've got 1 hour left in the trading competition. Some people aren't where they want to be. Some people may need to be gambling. We're here with number one gambler, as he'd like to be known. So tell us, what trade are you going to gamble on to try and win this tournament and get the 100k?
Well, I didn't do it the easy way, so I picked some newly listed coin on exchange, and I'm going full gamble mode, so let's see.
Stay within the rules though, don't breach. Okay. I know, it's gambling, but let's play safe. So we're here with our gambler number 2. What are we going to gamble on today?
Today I try now Wall USDT because only 40 minutes left.
Yeah.
And now it's the time to choose gamble or not gamble.
Yeah. And are we going long or short?
Right now long.
No gamble, no future.
Don't gamble.
Only in this last ditch attempt can we say gamble, but stay within the parameters. Okay, we're here with David. We've been flagged down because big news on the street is we're gonna gamble. What are we gonna do, David?
The number one trader right now has some profit around 1500, so I decided to, because we got something like
1700 now.
Yeah, 1700.
Just under.
Fuck. So I need to move it a little bit faster. So I opened it like a big position, and if it reaches there where I need to in the next 30 minutes, I could beat him, but we need to a little bit faster price action. So let's see how.
And what are we trading?
It's a Cardano.
Cardano, yeah.
I actually hate this coin, but I think it can move.
Well, let's see if that gamble pays off. You're checking the scoreboard. Does this mean that the gamble on Wild paid off?
Actually, yes, but it was like gambling, not good. But I made $390 profit. Right now I'm
good.
6th place.
6th place is good. Top 10 is always the minimum you want to be aiming for.
Minimum I want the 3rd place.
Okay, so go make.
30 minutes left.
You got 30 minutes. Make some more trades. So we're back with David. Last time we spoke to him, we were entering a gamble. Big gamble. How did it pay off?
Yeah, it paid off. I have closed some profit and to secure my position in the ranking. And now I have reopened, and basically if it goes as I'm planning, we can attack the first position.
Wow.
We will see.
If we have a new winner. Our new top spot. We don't know the winner yet. Yeah, we have a serious question. Who's number one? Oh! Oh, last second. No! That is a 3-pointer at the buzzer. Baru, baru, baru. Okay, so the tournament has finally ended. These guys have been battling it out in the streets, the mean streets of the crypto trading world. And we want to thank you all for coming here today. You made this event special here at the ByBit offices, so thank you very much. Unfortunately, we can't give you all 100k accounts. That's why you've been fighting it out. We will introduce the top 3 in a moment, who pick up over $235,000 in trading evaluations, and also the Cleo backtesting tools as well. Before we get to that though, we have to congratulate the players and the traders who finished 4th to 10th, who each pick up a $10,000 funded evaluation account and also Cleo backtesting tools. So congratulations from 4th to 10th. But now the big money's here. In 3rd place, picking up a 25k account and Cleo backtesting tools, is the trader that goes by the name Digital X, but real name Aris, so come on down. There you go. Shake your hand, well done, sir. What was your best trade?
Just buy the dip.
Just buy the dip. It's as simple as that. Well, congratulations, my friend. Everyone. Up next, we have the guy that was at #1 spot for a long time today. Unfortunately, he was pipped at the post at the last minute. A 3-pointer on the buzzer, I think it was. I think Steph Curry got there before you. We have in 2nd place, picking up a 50k funded evaluation account and the Cleo backtesting tools, Kingsley. Well done, sir. Photo opportunity. Well done, my friend. Well done, well done. For the $100,000 funded evaluation account, the #1 prize, the #1 trader today. Come on down, Farouk. Absolutely. Congratulations, man.
Thank you, sir.
Tell me, what was the trade that got you over the line?
Well, actually, it was the last one. I didn't risk much, but it was a key trade.
Yeah, I see. It was worth $50,000.
Yeah, it was tough. The market wasn't so good, but yeah, I got lucky with it, I guess.
Yeah, perfect, man. Well done, well done. Congratulations. Again, we do want to thank everyone for coming here and making it absolutely special. It was much bigger than the one in Prague, and next time we want to make it even bigger as well. So I hope to see some of you guys there again. Thank you very much.
Next time, you can look forward to an even bigger and better trading tournament. Sharpen your skills and come ready to win.
3rd place finalist, Aris. Congratulations again. $25,000 funded evaluation account for you, sir. We just want to know, like, how did you find the tournament? Did you feel like it was well organized? Did you have fun? Tell me your thoughts.
At first, it was fun. You know, it's like you're just having fun, enjoying. Yeah, that's what I feel.
That's good, that's good. And I seen, like, there was a while where I couldn't see you on the top 3. Did you? What kind of big trades did you make to get in the top 3?
Actually, I'm just waiting for that big move, the big dip. Then when I saw it, then I take the,
So was it one trade?
Yes, it was just one trade.
One master.
I was losing at first, but I didn't give up. And as you can see, I was on the 30. I was on the 30th place. But just don't give up.
No, exactly right, yeah. And that's the thing, it's patience. You have to be ready to take the moves and not afraid to take the moves as well, which it seems like you were. And sometimes the best strategy is buy the dip. Yeah, we'll see a reversal at some point, right? Well, we hope anyway. Yeah, and so are you ready to make some serious money with the new accounts? Yeah,
and I'm actually learning also.
Yeah?
Yeah, just to improve myself.
100%. You can always improve and always be better. Well, again, thank you very much. Congratulations. And we'll hope to see you again at the next round. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. So here we are with our 2nd place finisher, Kingsley. Guy was at #1 for a while, but pipped at the post. But apparently you're still happy, right?
It's all good. It's all good.
It's all good, apparently. Yeah, so we just want to know, like, how were your thoughts about the tournament? Did you have fun? Yeah,
it was great fun. Very well organized. HyroTrader did a great job. And also, it was great to see the ByBit platform. We learned a lot about the ByBit platform, how it works, how to do leverage. And I really like the risk parameters in HyroTrader as well, about the margin exposure, like the maximum commitment, that it kept us in the bounds, the stop loss, stuff like that. So it's very educational as well for using the ByBit platform too.
Yeah, I mean, the rules are there so that you stay in control. It's not gambling. You actually trade. I know we had a little bit of gamble at the end. Some of the guys tried to maybe creep into the top 3 or claim the top 10.
Yeah.
But yeah, what was your biggest trade today? As a short, right?
I did some shorts, some longs. I made a lot on short on iFi and Rune. But I had some good signals as well that I saw in the market. So I took those opportunities and executed.
Well, it worked out pretty well for you.
Oh, thank you.
Very well, very well.
Yeah.
And if we host another tournament, will you be there?
Definitely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No matter where it is, you'll fly out, right?
We'd love to join.
Maybe we'll have one in Prague. Maybe we'll be back in Dubai. I'd love to see you there, man.
Thank you for organizing.
Congratulations, man. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll see you next time. Okay, so we're here with the grand winner, the ultimate crypto trader, Farouk. Congratulations again, my friend.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Just want to know your thoughts about the whole trading competition, how it was set up. Did you have fun? I know you won, but did you have fun?
It was perfect. Actually, it was amazing. The environment, the team, everyone was so good. The vibes, I liked everything.
Yeah.
It was also challenging and it was tough.
Yeah.
Not easy at all, even with today's market. So yeah.
It's different environment when you're like timed,
Exactly. Yeah.
You have to make some trades to win.
Yeah. Too much pressure, but at the same time, too much fun.
Too much fun?
Yeah.
You can never be too much fun, surely. I suppose it's helped by winning the overall competition as well, which is great. And tell us, are you based here in Dubai or did you fly out here today?
No, actually, I'm based here in Dubai. I've been in Dubai for like 3.5 years now.
Okay.
And I've been trading actually on ByBit, on ByBit and HyroTrader. And I love both of the platforms. Actually, I love HyroTrader, to be honest. I love how friendly they are, all of the team. It was really lovely meeting all of you, to be honest.
Yeah, we love meeting everyone as well. We're so happy with the turnout. It was amazing. 30 traders, Well, again, thank you very much.
Thank you
congratulations.
so much.
We look forward to seeing you making very good trades.
Hopefully.
And lots of profits.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.